Did a Turk ruler named Sultan Muhammad Ghori in 1191 but lost to him the very next year in 1192. A closer look, the Cholas, from Urayur to Tanjavur. How did the Cholas rise to power? A minor chiefly family known as the Muttarayyar held power in the Kaveri Delta. They were subordinate to the Pallava kings of Kanchipuram. Vijayalaya, who belonged to the ancient chiefly family of the Cholas from Urayur, captured the delta from the Muttarayyar in the middle of the 9th century. He built the town Tanjavur and a temple for goddess Nishumba Shudhini here. The successor of Vijayalaya conquered neighboring regions and the kingdom grew in size and power. The Pandayan and the Pallava territories to the south and north were made part of this kingdom. Raja I, considered the most powerful Chola ruler, became king in 985 and expanded control over most of these areas. He also recognized the administration of the empire. Rajaraja's son Rajendra I continued his policies and even invaded the Ganga Valley, Sri Lanka, and countries of Southeast Asia, developing a navy for these expeditions. Splendid temple and bronze sculpture. The big temple of Tanjavur and Gangaikonda Cholapuram, built by Rajaraja and Rajendra, are architectural and sculptural marvels. Chola temple often became the nuclei of settlements which grew under them. These were centers of craft production. Temples were also endowed with land by rulers as well as by others. The produce of this land went into maintaining all the specialists who worked at the temple and very often lived near it: priests, garland makers, cooks, sweepers, musicians, dancers, etc. In other words, temples were not only places of worship, they were the center of economic, social, and cultural life. Amongst the craft associated with temples, the making of bronze images was the most distinctive. Chola bronze images are considered amongst the finest in the world. While most images were of deities, sometimes images were made of devotees as well. Agriculture and irrigation. Many of the achievements of the Cholas were made possible through new developments in agriculture. Look at map 2 again. Notice that the river Kaveri branches off into several small channels before emptying into the Bay of